Hello everyone and welcome to the SIMmetry tutorial series. This tutorial on elevation difference will provide you with the steps to analyze the elevation difference between two layers in a defined polygonal area. This tool will allow you to compare between two layers and identify where they have been changed. The output of the analysis is a point feature layer that stores the elevation difference information in its attribute fields and graphically represents the elevation difference at different points in a defined area. To begin this tutorial, let us go over where the elevation difference tool can be accessed. To access the elevation difference tool, on the ribbon menu, click on the Analysis tab. Then in the Comparison group, click on the arrow under Elevation. There are two available options: elevation difference 3D mesh layers and elevation difference between elevation layers. To use elevation difference 3D mesh layers, click Elevation Difference 3D Mesh Layers and the dialog box is displayed. Next, select the layers for comparison by clicking the drop-down menu and click on the required layer. Select the quality of the results layer. This will determine what level by which the analysis is performed. In the Min Difference field, select the minimum elevation difference between the layers that should be marked. Then, select either of the following methods to mark the area of interest: Draw Area or from Clipboard. The Draw Area method is marked by drawing a polygon in the 3D window. In the 3D window, left-click to define the points, then right-click to finish the drawing. The From Clipboard method analyzes the locations of all the polygon's clipboard objects. After the analysis is complete, a results dialog box is displayed. The number of sample points for which the elevation difference between the layers was greater than the min difference set. Number of sample points above minimum difference in which layer 1 was higher than layer 2. The number of sample points above minimum difference in which layer 2 was higher than layer 1. And then with the max elevation difference between the two. Review the elevation difference results graphically represented by the generated point feature layer. Only elevation differences that are above the minimum difference that you set are marked. The elevation difference results are automatically exported to a point shapefile that is listed in the project tree and saved under the application app data. You can find the full path to the shapefile in the Layers property sheet in the File Name property under the Layer tab. To use the elevation difference between elevation layers, follow the same steps as discussed before when using the elevation difference between the 3D mesh layers. We went over how to analyze the elevation difference between two layers in a defined polygonal area by using the elevation difference tool in our project. This concludes the tutorial on elevation difference. For more information, please refer to Chapter 14, Analysis tab, in SIMmetry's user manual. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for upcoming tutorials.